Good afternoon, everybody. We're here in beautiful Bali, Indonesia. We're just leaving our villa now. We're going to take a day trip, half a day trip really, towards the waterfall that's close by. I'm not sure the name of it, but we're going to go now, and here we go. Arrived at the Tegenungan Waterfall in Bali, and it looks pretty amazing already. We're just gonna head down the stairs and check it out. I think you can go from the bottom, you can go to the top of it. There's a lot of people down there, but it looks awesome, so here we go. Welcome to the waterfall. We're gonna go for a quick climb up to the top of the waterfall and see what that looks like from up there. Okay, so we went across that bridge and it looks like there's a guy there saying, hey, you need to buy 2 more tickets to get to the next 2 views, which is probably a money grab, and we probably got scammed, but it was 10,000 rupiah, whatever that is. I'll put it underneath. But yeah, for 2 views, it's probably not that bad. So we're just coming up to the top of the waterfall now. Small hike, maybe 2 minutes up the steps towards it, but it's very humid here today, so the sweat's lashing off us. It'll be good to have a look at what's up here, what's up for grabs to see. So that was the top and the middle of this waterfall. It's pretty amazing. I would definitely recommend to go here so far. But now we still have the bottom to do. We're gonna go in, maybe go under it. It looks like it's pretty powerful, so I don't know if it's a clever idea to try and get under that water, but we'll see what happens when we go down there. Yeah. Calves burning walking back up these stairs from the waterfall. We can't complain because there's women who are literally walking up and down this non-stop, buckets full of clay or sand on their heads, and it's like, what are we complaining about? We only have to do it once. Okay, so we just finished at the waterfall, had a little bit of a bite to eat, some chicken satay, skewers and some spring rolls, delicious. And now we're just going to try and find our driver Rocky, and then we're going to try and see if we can get somewhere for sunset today. It's in about an hour and a half or something, so hopefully we'll be able to get to a beach or something to see that. So we were going to go for a sunset. Didn't make it. It started lashing rain, clouds everywhere, so we just came back to our totally sweet villa. We're just gonna cook up a bunch of pasta and some chicken and have a few beers tonight, maybe watch a movie and just chill out. Tomorrow morning we're going to the Gili Islands. We're gonna do some scuba diving there and just generally hang out on the beach, so that's coming up in just a minute.